Hi again, and thanks for following me on part 2. Let's quickly review the different features of the Xpressor. Threshold, no compression until the signal passes it, from -42 up to +22 dB. Attack, keep the peaks or squash the hell out of them. Release, groovy compression or transparent. Ratio, positive or negative. Hit it, hard bypass made simple. War mode, let's not preserve the integrity of the signal, make it different. Log release, 2 release curves are better than 1. Autofast, grab those peaks. Sidechain filter, choose what range of the frequency spectrum you want the Xpressor to compress, and free that bass. GRL, gain reduction limiter, Elysia specialty. Never let a compressor compress more than you want. Gain, plus 21 dB of clean gain. Mix, you dig the attitude of the compressed signal and the punch of the original, never compromise. Choose both. For more details, please visit www.elysia.com. That's terrific, but can we hear the Xpressor now? That's a great idea, honey. Let me play you my favorite collection of squash drums.
Example number 1. Ejemplo número 2. Exemple numéro 3. Esempio numero 4.
for watching our program. We hope to see you soon for more amazing tutorials on Elysia TV. Goodbye, my dears.
And catch us soon for more about the Xpressor on guitar, bass, and all kinds of crazy instruments only on Elysia TV.